In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language to Portuguese on your iPhone, specifically for the Strava app. This process is pretty straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes. So let's get started and make sure your Strava app communicates with you in Portuguese. First things first, you'll need to open the settings on your iPhone. Now, this step is crucial because we won't be diving into the Strava app settings directly. Instead, we're working through your phone's general settings. Once you are in the settings, you'll want to look for the option labeled General. It should be right there among other system level options, so go ahead and tap General. From here, scroll down a bit until you find the section that says Language and Region. Sometimes on different iOS versions, you might find this under System and then under Preferred Languages. Selecting this will allow us to dive into the language preferences of your device. Once there, you'll want to look for the option that lets you add a language. It's pretty intuitive, just tap on Add Language. Now you'll be greeted with a list of languages that you can choose from. Scroll down or search for Portuguese. When you find it, select Portuguese, and you'll see a prompt asking if you want to set this as your preferred language. Go ahead and confirm that selection. Now with Portuguese set as the preferred language, exit out of the settings and make your way over to the Strava app. When you open it, the app should now display in Portuguese. This change occurs because most apps, including Strava, detect and adapt to the language settings of your phone. But what if it doesn't update immediately? Don't worry, this can happen occasionally. If you find that Strava still appears in English, a simple restart of your phone can often do the trick. Restarting your device triggers a refresh of all applications, ensuring they adhere to the new language settings. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing your iPhone's language settings to Portuguese for the Strava app. Such adjustments can be particularly useful if you're practicing Portuguese, traveling, or are just more comfortable with the language. Hopefully this was clear and helpful for you. If you encounter any issues or have additional questions, feel free to drop a comment below the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Strava journeys are even more enjoyable and linguistically comfortable from now on.